Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhamad Haziq bin Baharuddin from BMMV 1/1. So today I will talk what is a computer. Computer an electronic device that use binary number operating under the control of instruction store in its own memory that can accept data for input. And next, process the data according to the specified rules and produce information and store the information for the future use. So we go to the functionality of computer. The functioning of computer is takes the data as input from the user and store the data in its memory and use them when required. And next, process the data and convert into the information and generate the output and control all the steps above. That's all.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is NATRA BINTI and my metric ID is B0919102223. So, what is microcomputer? Microcomputer is an electronic device with a microprocessor as its central processing unit, which is CPU. So, a microcomputer contains microprocessor, memory, which is RAM or ROM, I/O devices, and bus. So, the components works together or interact with each other to perform a given task. Communication between these components is via system bus lines, such as data bus, address bus, and control bus. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SHUHADA binti KASRI from BMMV Section 1, Group 1. Today, I want to present about microprocessor. A microprocessor is a single digital integrated circuit that performs the function of a central processing unit, CPU. Microprocessor accepts binary data as input, then process it according to the instruction stored in its memory and provides result also in binary form as output. A microprocessor includes input unit where the data and instruction are received, a memory unit where the information is stored, arithmetic or logic unit which is called ALU that perform arithmetic operations, control unit which controls other units and the flow of data, and output unit to display the result after the data is processed.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURUL binti HAMEDY. I am from BMMV 1/1. Matrix number B0919100020. I'm going to present about the memory. So as we know, memory is an essential component of a microprocessor system. Why? Because it stores instruction and data for the microprocessor. There are two groups of memory. First, primary memory or main memory, which consists of ROM and RAM. Second, secondary memory or storage memory, which consists of magnetic disks. So I'm going to explain about the main memory or primary memory, which consists of RAM and ROM. RAM, we read it as random access memory. It is made of registers. Each of the registers has a group of flip-flop or latches that stores bit of information. Next, ROM. ROM, we read it as read-only memory. It stores information permanently in form of diodes. So, a group of diodes can be classified as a register. So, a register is basically a group of diodes.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Patricia SAADAH and I will present about I/O device. First of all, it's an input and output device. Is a hardware device that has the ability to accept input and output or other processed data. It also can acquire respective media data as input. It's sent to a computer, while as storage output, it sends computer data to storage media. To illustrate, for input is keyboard. It allows a person to enter letters, numbers, and symbols into a computer. For output, speakers is one of an example. It receives audio input from a device such as a computer. Lastly, there is a mixture I/O device such as digital camera that can display image on screen and store plus deletes image from memory. It can record moving videos with sound.
Hello, hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Dayang binti Abang Abdul Razak. I'll be presenting on the topic of microcontroller. So, microcontroller is a microcomputer that built on the single chip, also that known as a MCU, which stand for microcontroller unit. Okay, this microcontroller consists of four, which is microprocessor, memory, input and output devices, and also additional peripheral. This can be seen as example, which is microchips PIC, Motorola, and Atmel chips. As we know that microcontroller is embedded devices to control the action and features of a product itself. They run on a specific program which are dedicated to a single task. They are also low power devices with a dedicated input devices and a small LED or LCD display output on it.